launch India's one of its kind machine. So when I say one of its kind, the reason is it is aesthetically pleasing. At the same time, the best thing about this machine is it's only priced at 12,990.
Oh, great. And what is this machine?
So this machine is a 3-in-1 adapter coffee machine, which has 7 water levels. Like you don't have to choose from small or large. You can actually choose from 30 ml to 10 ml.
Or
Right? And Noah does its own pods as well. So we are the only ones in India to manufacture the Dolce Gusto compatible pods. Right? So because the Dolce Gusto pods are wider, right, it allows us to put more content in it. So the beverages like hot chocolate, hibiscus tea, hazelnut cappuccino, filter coffee allow that more of those things can be done like that. You know, they are possible. So
Right.
apart from black coffee, we serve these things as well.
okay.
Right? If you want, I can pour you a cup too. What would you like?
Any?
Hot chocolate?
Okay. hot
So we
chocolate.
import our chocolate from Belgium. We use Barry Caliber chocolate, and the pricing of the pods is even interesting. So when you buy this machine at such low price, the machine can do wonders. So this machine has a feature of pre-infusion, which is available in machines upwards of 80,000, 90,000. Right? We have made this feature available in just 12,990. Right? It is a heaven for someone who is a coffee connoisseur.
Right.
So this machine can be bought by anyone who is from a normal, like a beginner to coffee, to someone who is a coffee enthusiast. Because with our adapter, we give 2 different adapters, which is one is ground coffee adapter. You can put 12 grams of ground coffee in it, and at the same time we give Nespresso adapter too. So if you are an espresso drinker, you can still use the machine. Right? Let's pour your hot chocolate and just turn this off and put it at level 3. You can actually set the level according to the level which is written here. And just set it at level 3. Just pour it here.
So what I see here is that this machine, who are your clients basically?
Actually, anyone who is into coffee is my client or into beverages.
I mean, since this is a B2B event, so I would want to know that way that, FMCG companies.
FMCG is my client, whoever is planning to get into a coffee space or coffee manufacturing.
Maybe
Actually,
open
we
a
do manufacture.
coffee cafe.
Not cafe. So the thing is that the cafe owners would actually have something which is a large commercial machine, but someone who is a SME, like small medium enterprise
Right,
owner,
right.
someone in gifting space, someone in let's say running chain of salons or a chain of let's say any product, right? They are our clients because
Right.
in today's time the kettles are they are outdated. You need something which you can do within minutes, and things should be ready.
This is quick and
So
quite easy.
yeah, your hot chocolate is ready
Wow.
in I think 30 seconds.